चलिए आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं। रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड की 46वीं एजीएम में चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं।
In a highly energy efficient manner. These advantages, along with a massive scale of deployment, means that the best 5G coverage, capacity and experience is possible only with Jio 5G. Friends, with over 50 million 5G customers, we are already leading in 5G adoption in India. And we are the only company with the capacity to smoothly transition our entire 4G customer base to 5G with minimum additional capital expenditure. With the growing adoption of Jio 5G, we are also seeing an increasing trend of high ARPU post-paid customers choosing Jio as their preferred network. And Jio is the operator of choice for mobile users. Our net port-ins via mobile number portability was 5 times than that of our nearest competitor. We truly appreciate the confidence placed in us by our customers. We are inspired by their trust to reach a new gold standard of excellence in customer service by leveraging AI and cutting-edge CRM tools. Friends, Jio is also the only company that offers its 5G customers the complete ecosystem of connectivity, devices, support services, and value-added services. Through Reliance Retail, we have the most expansive sales and support network for 5G devices and services across India. And we have plugged all leading 5G smartphone OEMs into this network to ensure nationwide availability and adoption of the widest range of 5G devices. Taken together, this comprehensive ecosystem makes Jio the prime mover and the undisputed leader in India's 5G revolution. Friends, there is one important aspect of the Jio journey that I'm especially proud of, and that is how we have transformed ourselves from a mere implementer to original creators of cutting-edge new technologies. When we launched our 4G services in 2016, we relied on global partners for equipment. Today, our 5G rollout is powered by Jio's own 100% in-house developed 5G stack, which aligns perfectly with our Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar vision. It features advanced technologies like standalone 5G architecture, carrier aggregation, and network slicing with advanced.
चलिए एक छोटा सा ब्रेक यहां पर ले रहे हैं, लेकिन ब्रेक पर जाने से पहले नजर इस वक्त के हेडलाइंस पर।
प्रस्तुत करता